One of the great things about QuickFilters is that different filters can be applied to different views. For example, I can be in my All Photos view and be filtering by smart tags based on animals. I can go to my folder view and filter based on ratings, like 4 and 5 stars. These are great ways to have different groups of photos in different views, but sometimes you want a pervasive set of filters to appear across all of your views. That is what link filters are about. I'm going to go back to my All Photos view, apply the animal filter, but also add a rating filter of 4 and 5 stars. Now I'm going to click the icon to link my QuickFilters across all views. Now that it's highlighted with a circle, I can go to a different view and those filters are now pervasive across all my views.